Great stock market guidelines from experienced people. For those who would love to make a little extra cash or have a new career based from the comfort of your own home, consider investing in the stock market. By doing some research about the fastest growing companies, as well as watching up on helpful tips, can help you to become successful. Keep your investment expectations reasonable. It is well known that stock market rewards don't happen immediately, unless you partake in high-risk trading, which can result in a lot of failure. By knowing this, you can stay away from costly investment mistakes. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much, and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. Educate yourself about basic accounting principles, the history of the market, and how to read and understand annual reports. While you don't need to be a professional accountant to participate in the market, this kind of knowledge will help you make the smartest investment decisions, based on your goals for investing. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. Learning about the stock market can be a long process, but the benefits will pay off in the end. There are several benefits to investing, including being able to research successful companies and making extra money from home. Remember the tips in this video, if you want to successfully profit from stock investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.